Hello friends, in this video we will see how to create a Crud application using IntelliJ ID. So firstly we will see the docs I have created. So steps for create Crud application using S2 database. So first step is step of a, a Spring Boot project. First set up a Spring Boot project. So open IntelliJ ID, go to file, new and create a project, where you can select Spring Initializer and click on Next and provide the following details like below. Group will be com.example or anything artifact ID. We need to provide name. We need to provide. We can add CredApp or anything you want. And a package will be com.example.credApp. You can choose your choice. Packaging will be Java version. You can choose as per your choice. So, and after that, we need to select the dependencies. So, Spring Web, we will take Spring Boot, Tab Tools, Spring Data JPA, and S2 database. S2 database is nothing but in-memory database. And click on finish to generate the project. So already I have followed these steps. I will show you my project CRUD. So this is my project. You can see here CRUD. So here we will see the steps again. Configure application dot properties. So go to file src main resources application property. So I will open that SRC main resources. Here we can see our application dot properties. We need to add some configuration here. So I will show you what is the configuration I have added in Spring application dot properties file. So these are the URL, driver name, driver class name, username, password, S2 database configuration I also read here. So this is the configuration in application dot properties. Now we will see step 3. Create an entity class inside SRC main Java com.example CRUD model. Create a file student.java. I will open SRC main Java. So I have already created the entity model here. Student. So that kind of packages you can create controller, model, repository, service, like that. So student.java. Don't forget to annotate with entity annotation. You can annotate with entity class. It's student. You need to provide ID and generated value. And I took fields like ID, name, email, and age. We need to provide getter setter, or instead of getter setter, you can annotate with getter and setter. So our entity is created. You can see just scrolling down. Have you seen all? Okay, now we will go again for. So our entity is created. Now create a repository. Inside SRC main Java com example Crud repository. Create a file student repository dot Java. So this is my repository package. Student repository I have created. This will be interface or I have annotated at the repository. Student and extend with JPA repository. Entity name, the ID I provided here. So this is my repository. You can see. Now we will go can buttocks. Now create a service layer. Inside SRC main Java form example CRUD app service create a student service. So service package we will see student service annotate with at the rate service annotation. Where we will use here student service. We will add our repository here student repository. Please see the code here. This is for get all the students method I have created. Get student by ID I have created. This is for save the student, create a student. This is for update the student. And this is I wrote for delete the student. You can see here get all student, get student by ID, create student, update student, and delete student. So now again we will go for docs. Now the time to create a controller. So create a controller in this package. The name of controller is student controller. Here is my controller, student controller. So annotate it with the at the rest controller. Rest controller is nothing but it is a combination of at the controller and plus at the response body. So we need to provide a URL here by using at the request mapping. We will auto as service here, student service here, and here we will write the methods get, get mapping, post mapping, put mapping, and delete. This is for get the data from the database. We can get by ID the data, post mapping for save the data or create a student. Put mapping if we want change elements data, then we can use put mapping. If we want if we want any name by ID we can change and delete mapping for the delete the data. So this kind of controller I have created already. You can see again. Okay. Now step 7. Run the application and open IntelliJ IDEA. Click on CRUD application.java and run the main method, the fc start on port 8080. We will see. So directly we can run here. So directly we can rerun our application, but here I want to run from here. This is the main method. Right click, run CRUD application. You can see don't get started on port 8080. Now our CRUD application runs successfully. Now test with Postman. So how can we test in Postman? Create student post. So firstly open Postman. This is the URL for a student. So copy this one, open Postman. Here we will select post already there post. Here we need to put the URL, go to body, raw, and which fields we have taken name, email, and age. So copy this one, paste over here. Now we will check our API is working fine on. So status is 200 means okay. Now we will add some data, some more data. So these data I have added in the local database. In memory database, I have posted this data. So one by one, we will check all the API working fine. Post we have checked. Now we will see the get API, get all the students. Just we need to change the method get. Here select get. Change. Scroll up. Here you can see by using get method, you can see all the data. John, Mike, Selva, Searching, Robertson, and Center. So get it's working fine. Now update student using put method. You will see the update method. You can see what data is updated. I have updated name and email. So by using input method, it is updated. Now we will see the delete. For delete, we will use deleted method. Send item. It's deleted. Nothing here to see. Get by using get method also we will check. Nothing. It's null. We have deleted. Okay. Now Now, if you want to check the data in that S2 database, you can follow these steps. Open S2 database console in browser. Open Google Chrome or any browser. Go to is copy this URL localhost 8082 S2 console. So I will open this. Paste here this URL. Now go to this ID. Go to application dot properties. We will use database data source URL is GDBT. Copy this one and paste over here. Make a connection. Connect here. Now we will use the command select step from student. Click on run. You can see the data in the S2 database. Here if you want to edit and record, you can use edit button. Just I want to edit this one. I want to change the age. Then click on this mark and you can see the age of okay 22. So this is the this is all video for S2 database using CRUD application. So this is the in-memory database. If you want to create any CRUD application in short time, you can check this video and also create in minimum time. And if you face any issue, any kind of issue, you can comment me. I will solve the problem. So this video is all for the CRUD application using S2 database. Thanks for watching.